On remote islands, power is the lifeline that keeps everything running. But extreme heat, high humidity, salt air, and a limited installation space put every generator set under constant pressure. When cooling performance fails, power reliability is at risk. And when power stops, the entire island goes dark. Traditional radiator systems rely on engine-driven fans, generating more noise and placing additional load on the engine. In confined island facilities, hot air can easily build up while fresh air circulation becomes limited. The result: reduced cooling efficiency, power duration, and even unexpected shutdowns. For remote islands, every interruption comes with a high cost. The challenge is here, so how do you solve it? Come on. AGG has the answer. A remote radiator generator solution designed specifically for off-grid island applications. With enhanced cooling efficiency, good dissipation heat control, and quality operation, it delivers reliable performance even in the hard-mixed environments. Built for extreme conditions, designed for uninterrupted power. By separating heat dissipation from the generator room, it prevents hot air recirculation and ventilation efficiency. Even in enclosed spaces or underground installations, the generator can maintain stable output without temperature-related derailment. Cooling is only part of the challenge. Noise control matters too. With intelligent fan speed regulation, AGG remote radiator generator sets reduce operating noise while maintaining efficient cooling, providing a quieter, more comfortable environment for island communities and maintenance teams. AGG remote radiator generator sets are built for one purpose: to keep the power on day and night. From homes and communication networks to seawater desalination and cold chain storage, AGG powers what matters most. AGG remote radiator generator sets engineered for off-grid islands.